Good afternoon to all. We are from Botany GDC Mulugu. Myself Jayashree.
Myself Bhanushree.
I am Sanjana.
Myself Chandana.
I am Asborn.
Our mentor is Sarita Madam. Our project title: Awareness and Perception of some dominant invasive plant species among local communities in Mulugu district, Telangana. Introduction of our project. Invasive species are non-native organisms that have the potential to cause the damage of environment, human economy and human health. They are also called as exotic, alien and non-native species. Total 173 invasive species from 44 families were documented in India. Most of the invasive species are introduced deliberately as ornamental plants or unintentionally by transportation of goods and products. About 56 invasive plant species documented in Telangana.
Some disadvantages of invasive species. The invasion of exotic species is recognized as a primary cause of biodiversity loss after habitat destruction. These plants invade forest edges, agricultural lands and wastelands, suppress native plant growth. Aquatic invasive reduce the water retention capacity of water bodies and also block the water flow. The local communities are often first to observe the spread and impact of invasive plants. Understanding their awareness and perception is essential for effective management and control. The present project was undertaken to study awareness and perception of invasive plants among local communities. And aims and objectives of our project: firstly, to evaluate the level of awareness about invasive plant species and to understand the local perception and impact of invasive plants, to document local knowledge of invasive plants, to analyze community awareness regarding control and management methods.
Methodology of our project. A questionnaire-based survey method was adapted for data collection. Total of 50 responses were randomly selected for the study. The respondent includes farmers, fishermen and local residents and others. Face-to-face interviews were conducted using a prepared questionnaire. 8 plant photographs were shown to the respondents. Collected data were analyzed with simple percentage calculations. The results were presented in the form of tables and pie charts. This is the study area in Mulugu district. This is the questionnaire. These plant photographs are shown to respondents and collect the information, the photos of data collection.
Finding and data analysis. First criteria about gender information. The age and gender details of respondents as follows. Males are 28, females are 22. Occupation of respondents: 36 are farmer, 16 are fishermen, 24 are labor, 24% of others. Next criteria about awareness of invasive plants. 70% of the people they don't aware of these plants such as invasive plants. 90% of the people they observe in their daily life. 92% of the people are identified. Next criteria about perception and impacts. 92% of the people said plants spread rapidly. 64% of the people not sure about affects agriculture and wetlands. 80% of the people not sure about uses with plants. Some of harmful aspects collected by the respondents. Beneficial aspects of plants collected by the respondents. Impact caused by invasive plants. Reduced crop yield is 32%. Suppressive native plants is 16. Black water flow is 20. No impact is 24%. Last criteria about awareness on management practices and control. 70% of the people they don't know about controlling methods. Awareness of management practices. Manual removal 32, burning is 50, chemical control is 28, biological control is 0. They are not aware of long-term integrated methods like biological control and physical controlling methods.
Here is the conclusion. The present studies conclude the awareness about invasive plant species among local communities is limited. Despite frequent interaction with these plants, there is a need for educational and awareness program to inform communities about the ecological and economic impacts of invasive species. Despite of many, these invasive species have many uses. Through review of literature and participants are not aware about that. As these plants became more naturalized in local habitats and more prevalent, the knowledge should be provided to them to utilize them for economic growth, and which will be better way to their effective management. Suggestions. Some plants like Icornia crassipus can use fibers based products like handicrafts and furnitures. Typhoid domigensis leaves can be used for making decorative articles and fibers can be obtained. Some other plants can be used in biogas production and compost making. If knowledge and technology is provided to local communities and SHG group, it will be helpful for their economic growth as well as management of invasive species. Reference, these are our reference. Acknowledgement. We are thankful to our Commissioner Madam and Principal of the Government Degree College and our mentor K. Sarita Ma'am and our faculty. Thank you.